The U.S. economy continues to buck last year's predictions of a recession, and those same economists are now saying that they don't see a recession coming in the next 12 months. It's Friday, March 8th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. One reason for their reevaluation is that the unemployment rate is still very low. Rates remained at 3.7% in both December and January. As you can see from this graphic, the unemployment rate has averaged 5.7% since 1948. When the housing market crashed in 2008, the unemployment rate hit 8.3%. Economists don't see the unemployment rate rising anytime soon, and Maryland's unemployment rate is at 2%. Below the national average of 3.7% and lower than the long-term average. While favorable, this indicates that fewer homeowners may list their home for sale as a result of a job loss. Meanwhile, Maryland inventory remains low, but we do have a trickle of properties coming to the market. 1,071 homes are coming soon, only a minimal rise of 4.7% this week. 1,582 homes hit the market, a rise of 18% from last report. 641 under contract, 4.4% more over last week. 907 moved to pending, increasing 12% this week. 1,347 sold at 100% list to sold ratio and in 14 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Potomac for $2,006,500. Rentals fell 2% this week to 2,199 available, holding steady at $2,300 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, March 8th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.